Water is a symbol of life and a source of vitality. Chinese city Xi'an once became the core city of Shanxi province due to its access to 8 rivers. But now, it's facing a series of urban development challenges due to growing water shortage. In the near future, however, the water trunk by Xi'an people living in the north is likely to come from the south. As Shanxi, home to the largest tributaries of the Yangtze and Yellow rivers, is about to complete a grand water transfer project across the Qinli Mountains. In Hanshuiyuan Village, Ningqiang County, Shanxi Province, mountain springs form the source of Hanjiang River. From here, a drop of water will start a wonder-making journey through the Qinli Mountains to the Guangzhong Plain. A tunnel is being dug deep in the Qinli Mountains to divert water from the Hanjiang River to the Weihe River. To achieve this world-level engineering feat, it entails penetrating nearly 100 kilometers of solid granite at a depth of 2,000 meters, marking the first time for human being to cross Qinli Mountain from underground. Inside the underground tunnel, the temperature is over 40 degrees Celsius all year round, and the relative humidity is as high as 90%, making it feel like a giant sauna room. Meanwhile, workers have to deal with various emergency situations like rock bust. The tunnel is also known as the Shanxi version of China's mega South to North Water Diversion Project, benefiting more than 14 million people and the most fertile land in northwest China. Linking tributary of China's 2 largest rivers, the engineering miracle is creating a better life for the people.